my birthday month, so I'm feeling very happy. I have some exciting birthday plans that I'm looking forward to this month. I made myself a yummy breakfast, some homemade orange juice, delicious, and some avocado toast on sourdough bread with burrata cheese and roasted tomatoes and pepper flakes. It is so yummy. After this, I'm gonna head out to Sephora and Ulta to pick out some goodies. Also get my birthday gifts. I'm always looking forward to that. The Sephora and Ulta Beauty sale haul. The item that I was very excited to get at Sephora is the Dior Forever Skin Perfect Multi-Use Foundation Stick. I've heard really great things about this foundation. And it smells really good too. It has like this beautiful floral scent to it. I also needed a new eyelash curler, so I got the Dior eyelash curler. I also got a new eyeshadow palette. I feel like eyeshadow palettes last forever. This is from Makeup by Mario and the Ethereal Eyes, the original. It has a lot of brown and shimmery eyeshadows, which is a lot of what I like to wear. So I'm excited to create some makeup looks with it. I also got some Lily lashes. I got Rule Breaker and Money Maker. I'm excited to try these. I also got some Summer Fridays Jet Lag eye patches. I decided to treat my under eye area to some hydration. I got this 6-pack. I also got a mini Huda Beauty Baby Bake, which is a loose baking and setting powder in the shade Cherry Blossom Cake. I got the mini one because I want to try it before I buy the bigger size. But this was so cute. It comes with a mini setting puff, and I think it's great for traveling also. I chose the Tower 28 birthday reward that comes with a lip jelly and a facial spray. I also had 500 points, so I decided to redeem it for the Xoxo shampoo, conditioner, and anti-frizz hair oil. Xoxo has like really good reviews, so I'm excited to try this. And from Ulta, I got some new makeup brushes. I got the Hourglass makeup brushes, which also has great reviews, and I already have 2 other brushes and I really like them. The brushes that I got today are the number 15 blush brush. I also got 2 foundation brushes, the ambient soft glow foundation brush, and then the Vanish seamless finish foundation brush. I also got the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil melting bronzing and sculpting stick. And this bronzing stick smells like chocolate. It smells so good. And I love the stick application because it just makes applying contour really easily. I also got the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade King Karma. And for my Ulta Beauty Reward, I decided to get the Retinol plus HPR Ceramide capsules, which are these capsules that have rapid skin renewing serum inside of them. And it comes with several capsules, so I just squeezed out the serum. So I'm excited to try this. Yeah, and that's all I got from Sephora and Ulta Beauty. I also got my nails done because I want to look nice for my birthday.